Hello everyone and nice to see you again. So here we have FinPower dot pin marker MD2, which is designed to mark different kind of items. Here we have the marking head and here the actual control panel. This device is mainly designed for round pieces like tubes and hydraulic hose assemblies. So this device has very wide range of pieces what you can actually mark. So you can mark these kind of small pieces like this whole hose assembly, or on the other hand you can mark these larger pieces like this steel tube. And the maximum diameter what you can mark with this device is about 180 millimeters. The item scale you may want to mark with this device is very wide, so you may want to mark this kind of large tubes or perhaps middle-sized tubes, or then it's also possible to mark smaller ones. Another example is hydraulic hose assemblies, so you can mark small hose assemblies or even bigger ones like this 2-inch hose assembly. You may want to mark different kind of tools, or perhaps you have some special application like this one or this rope assembly. And like I said, this device is mainly designed for round items like hose assemblies and tubes, but it's also possible to mark other kind of items like this casted part here. So we have very wide range of applications what can be marked with this device. Let's take a quick look how to use this device. So first, the adjustments. We have here hose support which is adjustable, so if you have heavy hose assembly you can adjust this that you don't have to hold the hose all the time while you are working. So adjust and place the assembly and your hands are free to work with the machine. We have up and down buttons or the marking buttons. So these buttons are used to move the marking head up and down. You have also possibility to use foot pedal if you like, and then your hands are again free to hold, for example, the hose assembly. Then for serial production we have a backstop, so you can adjust the backstop which is inside the machine, and then when you are working in serial production you can just switch the assembly between the markings and the placement is always correct. So these are actually the only adjustments what are needed in this point. Then we have a control panel here. So we have 7-inch color touchscreen which has multiple options. Basically you are using this control device to write the text you are going to mark to your item. And you have a possibility to type text, company logos, pictures, DXF files, arcs, lines, QR codes, data matrix, even serial numbers. So there is a very wide range of possibilities what you have here in this control panel. You can preview what you are going to write in this graphical preview window, or if you like in line view. But I like to use this graphical preview window that I can actually see where I'm going to mark my text. So this is very simple. You just write your text here and then you use the actual machine to mark the items. My first example is 2-inch hose assembly, and First we are going to select the text what we are going to write to this hose assembly. I will change the program, so I have created programs here to the memory. So first I'm going to show the 2-inch hose. So I select the program and that's it. And now we just place the assembly to the machine. Then we lower the marking. As you saw, marking was started automatically when I lowered the marking head. And here we can see the end result. Quite good marking. Our next example is this steel tube. So let's select the program first. So now I'm going to mark that tube. So I change the program. Tube trace mark, select. I can see the preview here. Now just mark. And now I just place the item to the machine and then I lower the marking head. The marking is ready. As you saw in the previous example, I was marking the text in this direction, and now with this tube I marked to this direction, so any direction basically is possible to mark. So this is quite okay. Okay, then my last example. The previous markings were quite big items, and now we have this very small hose assembly what we are going to mark. Again, let's select the text what we are going to mark to this item. So our last marking is smaller hose assembly, and I again change the program, hose small, okay, and now we are ready to mark. Okay, again I place the item to the machine. The marking is ready. So it is possible to mark wide range of different diameters with this device. Okay, this was very quick introduction about FinPower dot pin marker MD2. And I hope that you got the basic understanding what this machine is and how to operate it. And if you have any further questions or you would like to know more about this device, please contact us and then we will help you with those questions. Okay, thank you and have a pleasant day.